I'm finna go catch that frog. There you go, right there. He's so huge, y'all. Look at him. Let's see if I can catch him. Oh, he's so huge. He right there. See if I can catch him here, though. I know how to catch him, though. We just hook him. Like right now, I can just go in his face. See if he'll let me come through. He's so big. I'm gonna come from the side. Cause he's looking right at me. He looking right at me. I gotta fix my hook before he moves. Okay, I'm ready. I ain't gonna go no closer. Oh, he tried. He tried. That's how y'all catch him. Look at them frog legs in there, y'all. Let me put him down right here. It's the one that been in that bushes all day, making sounds. Look at him, he's so huge. Opinion. It went up his mouth. Oh, he's skirted. I'll get him out. I see that, bro. Go ahead and let him back, cause I ain't at the frogs.